Look at all the fog. So we will be leaving by noontime because that's the checkout time of the guests renting cabins here. I was informed that it was 20,349 and we're 10 packs. So, whew, welcome back. So I'll give you a quick room tour. We're here at the Giraffe. And the tram's leaving again. Bye. So the tram is the only vehicle who can transport clients because cars are parked near the lobby. Nabasa na inon ko balik sa uwan. So let's go inside. You might be wondering why there are beds here. There you go. So dining area. You can cook. There's a microwave. There's ref. There are cupboards, and we actually don't have an air condition here inside in the living room. We just opened the windows, used the screen para way lamok. And yeah, because we have families together, of course, so there are 3 rooms for them. We decided to sleep here in the living room. Bugnaw gyapon kayo. As in, grabe. So, they have an ionizer. Of course, there's ongoing pandemic and to avoid contamination and must secure ang rooms. They have an ionizer here and it's on 24 hours. The couch is huge. You can even sleep here. And, of course, they have Netflix and chill. And yeah, I already showed you the rooms. Grabe. Their cabin looks like the ones that you see in American movies. Grabe. Such an amazing experience. So if you would like to come here, I'll be indicating phone numbers in the description box. They have mobile phones available right now because their landlines are out of order. Once again, it's 20,349. That's what I got from Mamraki. That's for 10 people. 3 rooms, 3 big rooms with shower. Nisud ng fog. My goodness. Mo na siya, guys. I hope you will enjoy your stay here once you come here. Kay lahi jud if kamoy mo experience. Igo ra ko tig chika. Bye. See you later. You ready to start? Ayaw niya mag-focus. Welcome to Gardens of the World. Sweetie.
Let's go. Next.
Plantitas World.
Oh, sige.
Manggod na. Hey, look at it, Tita, and on all the cactus.
Wow! Amazing!
Look, it's so nice.
Oh my gosh! Plantitas World.
Yeah, Plantitas World.
Maayong hapon!
Wow! Picture ko, Meg!
Isa, Meg.
Go!
Amazing!
Yung gano'n ha? Sige, dehara ka.
Oh wow! Amazing, guys!
Beautiful, Tita. Look at the background.
Oh my god! Blushing bromeliad.
Okay naman. Okay naman.
Ay, God! Wow! There's a Buddha! Hello! I have you in my room. Nice kayo lang Buddha! Dude, I'm like in another country. Cebu pa ni? Wow, I like this. I like it. Hello, there's a nice statue. Oh my goodness. So, picture ta dito. Look at the plants, guys. This is... Oh, di ba na may kauban, Doti?
Yeah.
Doti is Dati.
Nara, mami, name ni Tita Dottie.
Yeah. Asparagus fern. Amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness, kanindot sa mga tanom. I love this plant. Cobra fern. Prince of Orange. Wow. Señoritos Orchid Collection. Orchid Collection. We'll go back there later, guys. I want to take a picture. Oh, how cute, Ani. Uy. They're hanging. I love the statues. I'm like in Greece. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, lovely. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Ah, so relaxing, guys. And you can hear the... Is that a waterfall? hear the animals. Rose grape Medinilla. I'm running out of battery. I need more batteries next time I come here. My gosh, one battery is not enough. Oh. akong kamera kati uroko na jud. Nah, look, look at the fishes. It's grabe ko dagko. Sa ubos.
Unsa dito ni Muki? Ayaw nagka-IV. Unsa dito ni Muki?
You should come here, guys. It's like another world. Nice, very oh. Ani gawas na ta. Okay. Like dito na po.
Padung kanaog ang ilang orchids.
Grabe collection eh.
Yes, nilad mo kadaghan ani. Yeah.
Wow. Just pila na kabuo orchids.
Look at all this.
There's a playground there for kids, of course.